Hey, what's up? Who you that? It's me, Angel. Just want to make a video because I am bored and I'm going bananas and stuff. And they told the world just how you felt. It must have fallen out of the hole in your own brown old coat. They never said your name, but I know just who they meant. Yeah, so, what's up? Alright, so yeah, it's August 23rd. It was actually an earthquake or something like 2 hours ago. Everyone's typing it, so I figured I'd make a video. Yeah, so, I was actually at work. I'm off this week, but I stopped in to check the mail and stuff. So another worker's there, and she's like, I'm getting dizzy, and I need to sit down. And then as she said that, I felt like the desk kind of swaying, like you're on a boat. And then kept going, and she was freaking out. She was like underneath the doorway. And she's like, Angel, let's go. And then I'm like, what about the patients and the other doctor? And she's like, so we run out, and everybody's like running out of their apartments and stuff. Well, not a lot, just a little. Yeah, so. And then we found out there was like an earthquake in Virginia or DC or something. It was like a 5.8, and I'm talking too much, and you probably like stop the video, so I'm just gonna shut up and then. The only thing that I wanna hear is that you think you'll be coming home real soon. Wow, yeah, you kinda made me feel proud when I heard it say you couldn't find the words to say yourself. And now in my heart I know I can say what I really feel. Alright, good. So I'm off this week, so I'm heading out to Fire Island for about, I don't know. Well, if I leave tonight, Tuesday, come back Sunday maybe, or leave tomorrow, Wednesday early. So I'll be out on the islands, and hopefully there'll be no earthquakes. Was that English? There'll be no earthquakes. Alright, so, alright, later, bye!